Hello, I would like to introduce you to the Bikeep Access Management Kit. What we have on the table here is our main controller, our RFID reader, a cover for the RFID reader, connecting wire between the RFID reader and the main controller, optional camera, optional power unit, and CAT cable that connects camera to the main controller. On the Bikeep main controller, what we have here is different inputs. Here, this is the input where you connect the RFID cable so that the signals from the RFID would reach main controller. Power button, SIM cards. As you see, we are able to use up to 2 SIMs. So if one of the networks drops, we can use the other one. There's also the Ethernet input and camera input. You do need to plug the camera into the camera input. Also, what you see here is 6 input-output pins. By default, how the pins are configured are for door controller, door sensor, and for electric strikes, but this can be customized, right? As we are the builders of the system, the beauty of the Bikeep system always is that we can customize the system for you.